Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a quick video on swatching the new Pravana Everlasting color because they were awesome enough to send me their PR package, and this is what it looks like. Look how pretty it is inside. Those are the colors. It came in pink, red, and magenta. So today I'll swatch all three of them and all possible combinations that you can make with them. Also, what they look like when you dilute them with the pastel potion, which is their pastelizer. So if you want to see what these colors actually look like on a hair and all the variations, just keep watching.